friends, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe is this delicious batata kachrya, which gets ready in a jiffy. So this is an ideal tiffin recipe. You can prepare it within about 5 or 7 minutes. Nothing to be prepared, just chop the potatoes and have a few curry leaves at hand. And it gets ready really quickly. So do try out this recipe, guys. Let's jump into the video and I'll meet you at the end of the video, and there is a shout out. So friends, let's start with this delicious Batatyachya kachrya. Now here I've taken 3 medium-sized potatoes, washed them really well. First you're going to cut them into half, and then lengthwise you're going to cut them into 3 equal parts, and then just slice them into half-inch pieces like this. Now try to get all of them to even size. They should look like this, and we're going to keep the peel on, so don't peel the potato for this recipe. That peel gives it that extra crispy and crunchy effect. So it should look like this. Each of the pieces should be like this. Now I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Now this recipe does require oil, but there is a trick at the end. I'll show it to you. So once the oil is nice and hot, you're going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, you're going to add half a teaspoon of cumin, some fresh curry leaves, half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Now you're going to add our batata slices, and now you're going to mix them really well. So you should coat all of the pieces with this tadka, this phodni or this bagar. There should be no white pieces of potato, but everything should be nice and yellow with this phodni. Now you're going to cover and cook this on a medium flame for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let all the water go into the potatoes, because you can use that water for cooking the potatoes. And again, you're going to give it a stir. Now stir this very gently. Lift all the potatoes with your spoon. Try to use a big spoon. Don't mash the potatoes. Every potato should retain its shape. That's the beauty of this kachrya. So now we want these potatoes to become nice and crispy and brown. So again, we're going to cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see they all look golden brown and crispy. So now we're going to add some salt to taste. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of either red chilli powder, but I'm using something called kanda, lasun, masala. Watch the video till the end. I'll tell you about it. And then you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to really elevate the taste. Now again, mix gently. Don't mash the potatoes. And now you're going to, after frying this, you're going to add a little bit of coriander. We are going to garnish it again with coriander, but this fried coriander, really gives the taste. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put all of this potato mixture to the side of your pan. So try to use a kind of a wok kind of pan like this. And you will see that all that excess oil that we use to make the potatoes nice and crispy will collect to the center. Now you can reuse this oil for some other recipe. Again, cover and cook for 1 minute on a very low flame. So now our dish is almost ready. So now you can turn off the flame, the heat. You can see how much of the oil has come to the center. So now turn off the heat and take a bowl and very gently just transfer these potatoes to the bowl, trying not to get any of that oil into the bowl. Now you can reuse this oil for any vegetable. It has so much of flavor in it. And now you're just going to garnish it with some coriander leaves, and your lovely batata kachrya is ready, guys. You have to try out this recipe. So today's shout out goes to Samita Nagwekar. Hi Samita, if you're watching this, thank you for all your love and support. Samita used to write to me regularly when I just started. Then for some time I think Samita was busy, and now again she has reconnected with me. So thank you so much for reconnecting with me, Samita, and God bless you, your family, and have a great day. Be blessed, and lots of love from me to you. So wasn't that really quick? For those of you who have never tried kachrya, you should try kachrya. It's super delicious. Now sometimes what I like to do is, instead of adding red chilli powder, I have this masala which is called kanda, lasun masala. You get it at any masala store. You even get it at supermarkets also under different brands. But if you go to these authentic stores, mostly they are in Mumbai, where they are actually preparing masalas like Balvani masala, your sambar masala, they actually prepare it there. You will definitely get this kanda lasun masala. It's a little bit spicy, so just add a tad bit. So you can either go with red chili powder, or you can go with kanda lasun masala. Don't add green chilies, it will change the entire taste of this kachrya. Also, wash your potatoes really well, because you're going to keep the peel. You don't peel the potatoes for kachrya. The peel is also important for this recipe. And curry patta, don't skip on the curry leaves. That's also a very important element of kachrya. And loads of kothimir also make it really delicious. So if you like today's recipe, then you know what to do. Give it a big like. Give me those thumbs ups. I need them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please do share my videos with family and friends. Watch the videos till the end. Go and check out my channel. I have more than 2,000 recipes on my channel. If you're looking for any particular recipe, just type the recipe. Like suppose you're looking for sambar recipe, type sambar and Akshata's recipes and my recipe will pop up. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Take care of yourselves, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon in my next recipe, sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care.